Good morning, investors. This is the Jet Life, ready to start your week off great with APRE, the Aperture Health Incorporated. Our last trading day was Friday, June 15th. We saw an open of 0.028 and we closed at 0.04. That's an increase of 42.86% on a volume of 318,128 shares. Got a lot of indicators up and all of them are looking fantastic. Let's start with our 14-day RSI. It's very optimistic at 51.55. We just crossed over that center line and we're pointing straight up. And we have a long way to go to run yet. We have our daily charts here. We have a bullish indicator with our parabolic SAR being underneath our candlesticks. It's this little bitty gold dot way down here. We do have a support and resistance line at about 0.5. It was playing a support role back in the beginning of the year all the way up until about the end of March. Since then it's become a resistance line and it's the point to break now. Afterwards we only have possibly right around 20 cents, maybe at about 15 cents to be a little bit more conservative as our next resistance line. We are forming this new uptrend here, which is nice. Our MACD line just crossed over its signal line. That's a very bullish uptrend that we're forming there. We do have our histogram flipping over to the top of the center line there. That's also a good sign. We've been trading pretty narrowly there with our MACD and we're looking for a big breakout anytime now. ADX did break out really recently. The positive DI crossed over the negative DI. We have that confirmation that we are in an uptrend, and our ADX line itself is at 18.58 and gaining strength. The TRIX line crossed over its signal line. That's another bullish indicator. And right there to go along with it, the PVO and slow stochastics both crossed over their signal lines as well, and we're pointing straight up. Just all three of them are very positive, very strong, optimistic, bullish indicators that we're seeing there. Our CCI is at 160.88. That's above the 100 line. That's strength. That's a bullish indicator. Our money flow index is also above the 80. That's another bullish indicator. This chart is just full of them. They're all over the place. The Chaikin money flow is above the 0. That's telling us that we're in a strong market. We've had a lot of strong buying, and a lot of buying we've had actually. Our accumulation and distribution has greatly increased. We're actually seeing a very sharp uptrend with that. And right there along with it, the on-balance volume is pointing straight up as well. As you can see, this thing is really starting to take off. It's starting to really run like the bull. Got a really positive future for APRE. I think we're going to see some pretty big gains today when the market opens, and we hope that you're in on this one with us. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to find us over on the iHub board. Don't be afraid to talk to us on there. We can always help you out. Also, if you haven't already, join our newsletter by going to www.jetlifepenny stocks.com. And as always, you can email us at the emails there on the screen. And hopefully you'll subscribe to the YouTube channel. And as always, we'll see you on the boards. Good luck.